Hey guys, welcome back. Here we are with the all new Porsche Cayenne, the last one. It's a really nice car, really huge, and it remains really in the style of Porsche. So we have a quick look at the outside and inside and review a lot of things. So stay tuned. So here, let's have a look at the outside. So if you look at the front, at the bumper, at the lights, you really recognize it's a Porsche, and it's really you can recognize the style of the Panamera. It's really nice style. We have that huge front bumper with their running lights here, which almost you can't see, but they are off. It's really nice. Really cool front grille. We have a camera for when you're parking. We have a 360 view when you're parking. And we have also this noise LED matrix. We have one B in the middle and four two above and two underneath. It's really nice. You can easily recognize it's a Porsche by night. We have that huge hood, really impressive, really aggressive. About the wheels, we have here 21 inches wheels, and have a look at those huge brakes. It's really big one, and if you have a look at the caliper, it's really twice as big as my hand. It's really huge, and just to make sure you can brake efficiently to this beast. And here we have the turbo version. As you can see, it's a 4-liter V8 with 550 horsepower, and here it has the Tiptronic with 8-speed automatic. About the price, so this one turbo has a base price of 142,000, and with a lot of options, you came here at an end of almost 180,000 euros. So it's pretty impressive. Here on these side mirrors, we have those little things that light up in orange when you have a car in a dead angle, so you don't have to worry and to turn your head to see if there is a car coming. Also nice, we have the soft close. If you misclose your door, it closes automatically as it should be. Really nice. At the back we have also the 21 inches wheel, and the most impressive part is really at the back. You can easily recognize it's a Porsche. You have that those tail lights that are really nice, really thin, like on the Panamera, and it makes it recognizable everywhere. So here just up you have this really nice spoiler, like on the Panamera and Gran Turismo, or like the normal Panamera. You have a spoiler you can pop out whenever you want by pushing the button or just by reaching a certain speed. We have also really nice exhaust tips for the turbo, kind of less oval than the others, but more square design. Really cool, really nice, and that little diffuser we have here. Here above we have panoramic sunroof, which can be opened in this part, and this part is really big, but it's not, you can't open it, but it's really nice because you can have a nice view and being when sitting on the back side. So let's have a look at the interior. Really nice we have here. So here we are in the inside of the new Cayenne. Really nice interior here in two colors. We have the black and kind of cream color. Really nice finishing. We have also nice stitching here on the black leather. Really cool, and it's really kind of Alcantara roof top. Really nice. So have a look here at the steering wheel. Really nice one, like in the Panamera. Not too big, not too small. Really cool. You can grab it easily and feeling comfort. Yeah, also nice paddle shifts here behind. Really nice, and those little holes make it really cool and nice. Really feel like a sporty car. And here in the middle, like the Panamera, we have the classic one here in the middle, full RPMs. Really nice. It's kind of Porsche signature having this one in the middle. And on the two sides we have two screens where you can display different things, navigation, music, etc. And speedometer here on the left side. Here in the middle, on the dashboard, you have that huge touch screen, really big one. It's almost like a tablet. You can control a lot of things. We have navigation, media control, music. You can play it. And we have here a really nice Burmester audio system. Really great one we have. It's really nice to listen to that audio system. Phone controls with calls, messages, contacts. And then we have the interesting part. We have all the settings about your drive, your way of driving, how you want to feel the car, and you have a lot of things, especially in this Cayenne. You can have different driving modes. We have normal, sport, sport plus, and individual. Individual means that you can choose your way of setting your car. So you have here the heights of the chassis. You can have it really low level, you can have middle, high level, and then you have off-road level, which is the highest you can have here, just to avoid you could touch rocks or something when you're off-roading. You have other settings for off-road mode. You can set up here that you're simply off-roading on a normal road, on gravel, on mud, on sand, or on rocks. And by choosing this, you really optimize transmission and power giving to front or rear wheels, and make it as efficient as possible, and just making you pass easily on your off-road roads. You can control also all the inside lights of the car. You can change the color: red, blue, green, white, warm white, cold white, orange, here red, and you can really choose it to watch which one you wanna have more or less. It's really cool. trip information about your consumption, your average of kilometers you have done, and a really nice feature also, you have all disappeared chronometer. You can have your time recorded here by the car, and if you are on a racetrack, you can register that and follow it and try to improve yourself. Climate controls, we have a lot here. We have all the front controls at the back for the passengers, and comfort settings. We have some nice apps for the weather, for news or something, but we are not connected to internet, so we can't really look at it. Assistance systems we have here. We have some nice ones. We have night vision. We have Porsche Active Saves, which monitors cars that are around you and try to avoid a crash if it's coming. Sound settings of Burmester, really nice audio system, and then a lot of other settings about the car. Here in the middle we have, like in the Panamera, but here we can see it really clearly, we have some classic buttons here, aluminum buttons for temperature, for volume, and for the menu. And then all the other buttons are just touch screen buttons, and when you push it you really feel like it's almost a real button, because it vibrates a little and you can hear this sound also. It's really nice. And you can also here control a lot of settings for the car, like suspension, traction control, sport mode, individual. You can also have e-power if it's an hybrid version. Nice feature, we have also here a spot where you can drop your phone and it does load wireless, so you don't need to stick it in a USB to load it up. It just loaded by putting it here. And also we have here 2 USB ports, so you can listen to your favorite music with this Burmester audio system. So we have also really nice here, a huge sunroof, half panoramic, half you can open. It's really big one, and you have all the controls here. So you feel pretty comfortable in this car. The seats are really great. I'm pretty big guy, so it's pretty comfortable even for me. So it's really nice. But let's have also a quick look at the back seats. So here at the back we have plenty of space. I'm a pretty big guy, but feeling pretty cool here on the back seats. Really cool, nice. We have also the climate control settings here in the middle, in the same style as the one we have in the front. Really well designed, really nice to see. So it's, for a big guy, it's pretty great to be here at the back. Don't feel feeling being in a really small car. It's really big and you have plenty of space, even for big guys. Even if you put 4 big guys in this car. So let's have a look at the trunk. Pretty big trunk we have also here, really huge. You can put everything in it. If you want to go on holiday with the family, it's okay, you have plenty of space. Then you have also nice features here. You can lower or higher your car here if you want to if you have heavy things you want to drop in your trunk. It's really nice. I'll just close it by pushing the button as always. So that was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this small review from the outside and inside of the new Cayenne. And stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to see a lot of new cars. Bye.